Have you ever dreamed of flying on a dragon or stepping through a portal into another realm? What if I told you that the science behind these fantasies might be closer to reality than you think? Fantasy worlds have always sparked our imaginations. Lands of magic, mythical beasts, and impossible powers. But beneath the spellbinding stories, there is often a hidden foundation of science. From the precise logic behind Brandon Sanderson's magic systems to the theoretical physics that could one day make teleportation possible. Fantasy and science are not opposing forces. They dance together, expanding the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the astonishing scientific roots behind your favorite fantasy elements. How much of our beloved fantasy could actually work in the real world? Could dragons soar through the skies without defying physics? Could alchemy truly turn lead into gold? And what would it mean for our future if the boundary between magic and science were to blur? Exploring these questions reveals more than just answers. It shows the profound connection between human creativity and our universe's natural laws. Let's start with dragons. Their majestic flight seems impossible, but could it be plausible? Paleontologists studying pterosaurs, giant prehistoric reptiles with wingspans over 30 feet, have shown that flight at such a scale is achievable with the right muscle power and bone structure. If dragons had lighter bones, efficient muscle mass, and perhaps a biological form of hydrogen gas production, as some scientists speculate for large flying creatures, their aerial grace might not be so far-fetched. Now consider the art of potion making. Fantasy often portrays elixirs with miraculous effects, but modern chemistry has its own versions. Think of antibiotics transforming deadly infections into mere inconveniences, or gene therapy rewiring our DNA to combat disease. The pursuit of alchemy, once seen as mystical, laid the foundation for these medical marvels, proving that the quest to transmute reality with knowledge is real. What about magic fused with technology? So-called Magitech, worlds where enchanted crystals power machines or cybernetic wizards cast spells through neural implants. This blend is not just fantasy. We are already merging biology and technology. Brain-computer interfaces allow paralyzed individuals to move robotic limbs with their thoughts. Imagine if future materials or energy sources operated like magic, enabling machines to be fueled by principles we don't fully understand yet. Quantum effects or dark energy, perhaps. Teleportation may be the most mind-bending revelation. Fantasy portrays it as a mere gesture, a doorway between worlds. Yet quantum physics has achieved a form of teleportation. Scientists have successfully teleported information between particles across vast distances using quantum entanglement. While we are far from transporting humans, this discovery challenges the limits of reality itself. Could we one day punch through space-time like a wizard summoning a portal? Fantasy and science are two sides of the same coin. Fantasy inspires us to dream beyond our limits. Science gives us the tools to chase those dreams. Together, they remind us that the impossible today might be tomorrow's innovation. Dragons may not fly overhead yet, but our understanding of nature advances faster. And who knows? The future might hold more magic than we ever imagined. What fantasy element has always captured your imagination? Is it spellbinding magic or futuristic tech? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what other worlds you'd love to explore next.